and welcome to my kitchen. You guessed it, we're gonna make a yummy meal today. I'm so excited. We're gonna be making a yummy Italian salad, and I'm going to just put some chicken breast with it. I thought that would be so good for dinner. It is the afternoon, so after I get done cooking, we're gonna be doing some dishes. I've got some clothes that are clean that need to be hung up, so I'm gonna be doing that, and probably just maybe a few other things, I don't know. I may even continue the video over into tomorrow. We'll see how it goes today. But anyway, let's get started on this video. I am starving to death. I've not had anything to eat. It is, what time is it? It's 6:01. I've not had anything to eat, and I'm very hungry, so I'm wanting to get this salad started. So let's get started on that. This salad does not call for chicken breast. It has Genoa salami in it, but my husband is a big meat eater, so I'm just taking some chicken breast and sprinkling some Italian seasoning on it along with some olive oil and just throwing that into the air fryer. I want to take a moment and thank Epare for sending me this Veggie Chopper. I am so excited to try this out. When they reached out to me, I had been wanting a Veggie Chopper and they had one, and so I hopped on that really quick. So we're going to be making salad today, and I'm going to be trying this out on several different veggies today, and I am truly excited about it. Thank you, Epare, for sponsoring today's video. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty mint green color, and the plastic is very nice and thick. And it's got blades down in there, and those look super sharp. I don't know if you can see the blade on that, but they look very sharp. And there's the little bowl, and it is made out of thick plastic. It is not cheap filling by any means. Has just like this little pull string which makes these blades turn. All right, y'all, let's try this out. For the salad today, we're gonna be using artichoke hearts, chickpeas, sliced olives, salami, celery, red onion, romaine, mini cucumbers, fresh parsley, tomatoes, Italian style cheese, and then we're going to be using ground mustard, red wine vinegar, and olive oil. This is a chopped salad, so we're going to start off by chopping up our romaine lettuce in small pieces. After chopping up my romaine lettuce, I decided to start out with celery, and I just cut it up into some smaller pieces in order to fit it in the bowl portion of the Veggie Chopper. I was super shocked at how I did not have to work very hard to chop this. I thought I was going to have to pull that string like numerous times, literally 5 to 6 times, and the celery is diced very finely. Those blades in that Veggie Chopper are so sharp. I could not believe how quick it chopped those veggies up. was gonna just chop the tomatoes in half, but then I was like, let's see what this veggie chopper will do to these tomatoes. And I just want to say I was super impressed. You could make salsa, guacamole, all kinds of stuff in here. I could not believe how fine that it shreds these tomatoes with just a few pulls of that string. So I highly, highly recommend this product. I will have a coupon code linked below, and the website and product will be also linked below. So make sure that you go check this out, because I do not think that you will be disappointed at all. After getting all my veggies chopped, I am now slicing up some salami to put on top of my salad. And after I got the salami chopped up, I realized that I forgot to add the Italian parsley to my salad. So you'll see me putting that in the veggie chopper really quickly and getting that put on my salad. And then I'm just going to add some mozzarella cheese, and we're going to be making the dressing, which turned out so yummy. I will have this recipe linked in the description box down below, so if you make this recipe and try it out, let me know. I always enjoy finding out if you enjoy my recipes or not. The dressing to the salad is so simple. It is so yummy. It is a half a cup of olive oil, along with a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to do a teaspoon of pepper, and then we're going to do 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon of dry mustard, whichever one you want to say. And then we're going to do 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and then just give it a good stir and pour it over that salad and toss. We are now moving on to some laundry folding motivation. I had so much laundry piled up that needed to be folded and hung up, so that is what we're going to be doing now. It is quite late. I went ahead and washed the dishes and cleaned up the kitchen off camera, because I feel like I'm always washing dishes and cleaning the kitchen on camera, so I was like, I'm just going to leave that out this time and just include some good folding motivation. So go grab a basket of laundry and fold some clothes with me. So I tuckered out last night after getting that laundry done. It was close to midnight and I was exhausted, so I decided to go ahead and go to bed. I did edit on this video just a little bit, and then I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go to bed. So it was quite late when I went to bed. But so I'm gonna go ahead and make up my bed this morning, straighten up my bedroom, and I do have one more basket of clothes to hang up and put away, and then I'll probably straighten up my laundry room just a little bit. So thank you for hanging out with me today during the duration of this video. If you like this video and all my random projects I'm doing today, and you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button and turn on the bell so that you'll get notifications of all my upcoming videos. I have quite a bit of fall decor coming up, and I am so excited to get my fall decor out. I cannot wait. Like, I am just chomping at the bit. It is so hot here though, so you know, it's hard to get in the fall mood when it's so hot. All right, so let's turn this camera around and let's get this bed made up and our chores done for today. This is our final basket of laundry that I did not get to last night. So excited to finish this up. I actually do start another load here later on, but it is just my husband's work clothes, so he normally hangs them up himself. So this is the last load that I will be hanging up. So glad to get this done. I do not like hanging up and folding laundry. for hanging out with me today. I really enjoyed having you here today while I finished up several chores around the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that like button so I know you like it. Hang out with me in the comments so I can get to know you better. And also thank you Epare for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure y'all go check out that Veggie Chopper. I will have it linked in the description box below. See y'all.